we are going to learn all this terminology in a simplest way. For example, if I show you a mirror, now I am holding two mirrors. Say for example, this is a reflecting side of the mirror and this colored portion is a non-reflecting side, right? Now you might have identified this is a plane mirror and this is what your spherical mirror. Now I just wanted to ask you, since this is a spherical mirror, it will have a center of curvature. Since it is spherical, it will have a radius of curvature, it will have pole, it will have focal length, it will have focus, it will have aperture and all those things. So where those things are, that we are going to learn in a simple way. So for that I have taken a complete spherical mirror as shown in the figure. Now this is what our spherical mirror. Now you observe carefully the mirror which we are using in a lab, concave mirror, convex mirror, kind of spherical mirror. This mirror I can keep here. So if I continue this, then you will understand the given mirror must be a part of some sphere. तो ये मिरर जिस भी स्फीयर का पार्ट है उस स्फीयर का सेंटर will be the center of curvature of the given mirror also. So this point, which is a center of this sphere, will be the center of curvature. We can denote it by C. Is that clear? Okay. Now, given concave mirror is just this much part, so the remaining part will erase it out, right? So we have erased it exactly. You will understand जितना portion मेरे नीचे से, this is what the mirror looks like exactly. So in a simple language, what we understand by this, every spherical mirror is a part of a complete sphere. तो उस sphere का जो center होगा will be the center of curvature of the given mirror, right? Now we'll go to the radius of curvature. Now where is the radius of curvature? So that for that we have to find a geometrical center of the mirror. ये जितना portion हमने draw किया है उसका geometrical center might lie somewhere here. यहाँ पे वो center है, इस part का center यहाँ पर है. And we have to join the center of the curvature and the geometrical center of the mirror. I'm trying to join it and you observe well. This center is called as pole. We denote it by P and it's a pole. It's a pole. So what is a pole? Pole is a geometrical center of the given mirror. So if I talk about this mirror, तो ये जो portion यहाँ पे बनेगा, this is nothing but what? The pole. This is nothing but what? The pole. And the इसके आगे थोड़ा यहाँ पे उसका क्या रहेगा? Center at this point where my finger is, right? Now, this length is called as radius of curvature denoted by capital R. So this is radius of curvature. Now, to understand one more term which is very important, we have not written it, that is aperture. Aperture is nothing but the portion of the mirror exposed to the light. तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो भी portion है उसको हम बोलेंगे aperture. Now next very important point is focus. Now to understand the focus, what we'll do, we'll extend the radius of curvature. Now we are extending the radius of curvature like this, right? Now we extended. Now what we'll see, we'll consider some rays, we'll consider some light falling on the mirror. Supposing I have taken this, it should be straight away, right? This is the incident light falling here. Now where this light will go, since it is straight and parallel, this line is called as principal axis. Now what is the principal axis? Principal axis is nothing but a line passing through center of curvature and the pole. So the incident light, the light which is parallel, or incident ray we can say, parallel to the principal axis, after reflection will pass through a point, we call it as focus. We call it as focus, and normally focus lies in the central point of radius of curvature. So this is what your focus. This point is nothing but the focus. So focus is a point. What is focus? Is a point where the reflected rays meet or incident rays meet after reflection. जितने भी इंसिडेंट रेज है आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन जहां पे मीट करेंगे उसको हम बोलेंगे फोकस. नाउ डिफरेंट मिरर विल हैव डिफरेंट फोकस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इट्स फोकल लेंथ. नाउ व्हाट इज अ फोकल लेंथ? इट्स अ लेंथ बिटवीन फोकस एंड द पोल एंड डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल l. What is the radius of curvature? It's a length between center and the pole. तो ये हो गया अपना radius of curvature, and we can easily find it out. जो radius of curvature होता है that is twice of focal length. So we understand focus, a point where rays meet after reflection. We understand pole, which is a geometrical center of the mirror. Center radius is done. Now we'll find UV. U is, what is U? Object distance. It is distance of the object. Now in front of mirror, wherever you keep the object, supposing this is my object, I have kept here, okay? Right? This distance from the pole, all the distances we measure from the pole only. इस distance को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Object distance. Distance of the given object from the pole is called as object distance. Now similarly, image distance. Now if you find that image of the given object is found somewhere here, okay, like this, we assume that it is here. So the distance of this image, this is an image from the pole, we call it as image distance, which we show by V, small v. Okay, so we understand object distance, image distance. What is left is magnification. So magnification is a value or the number which tells us this is called as object. This is nothing but image distance upon object distance, right? Depends upon the mirror. If it is a mirror, then formula is minus v upon u. So it is a ratio of image distance upon object distance. अगर इमेज ज्यादा दूर बनती है तो मैग्निफिकेशन क्या रहेगा? मोर देन 1. तो we can say image is magnified. If it is less than 1, we can say image is diminished. If it is equal to 1, we can say that image has the same size as that of the object. और एक चीज है, you can see here, that is h and the h dash. H is nothing but the height of the object. This is h, and h dash is nothing but the height of the image. So magnification formula we can even write in terms of h and h dash. So magnification becomes h dash upon h, h dash upon h. So I think we are clear with the various terminology used in case of spherical mirrors. That is object distance, image distance, magnification, height of the object, height of the image, focal length, focus, radius, pole, and the center of curvature. I just simplify and conclude one more last time. Center of curvature will be the center of that sphere. अगर इसको मैं कंटिन्यू करूं ऐसे 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 ऐसे, दिस इज अ स्फीयर, तो इस स्फीयर का जो भी सेंटर है दैट इज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द गिवन मिरर. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन सेंटर एंड द पोल. पोल इज अ ज्योमेट्रिकल सेंटर ऑफ द गिवन मिरर. एपर्चर इज द पोर्शन ऑफ द मिरर एक्सपोज टू द लाइट. इतने पोर्शन पे लाइट गिर सकता है और इंसिडेंट रिफ्लेक्ट हो सकता है. फोकल लेंथ इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फोकस एंड द पोल Object distance is the distance between object and the pole. Image distance is the distance between image and the pole. Height of the object, height of the image. Magnification is the ratio of image distance to the object distance, or image height to the object height. Thank you so much, children.